Is that a drink, right? It's a drink.
One.
So you can stop. That's it. She's done. Yay! Food is here.
It's I need to remove this one.
Remove this.
Wow, look at that. This one is 18 inches.
Yeah.
Looks great.
Oh, yes.
So alright guys, so we are home. We are back.
Yeah, you got it? So
So
put
yeah.
this, you put this away.
So this is what we bought from SNR. We bought, let me show you guys. So yeah, so this is what we bought. We bought some fruits. This one is 189 for 6 pieces. We bought some toothbrush oil and dishwashing liquid, and I got my perfume. And we got this also black label because one of the manager in the bank, we're gonna give this one. And this one is my drinks. It's Baileys. I like this one. It has the flavor like coffee, caramel, and this time it has the glass. So yeah. And the other one, we also bought this. Wait, let me show you. So these are the other ones that we bought. This is for the reception. Oh yeah, so most of the time, every Christmas, we always give something to the security guard and receptionist in our building. So these are for the receptionist, guys. It's quite nice. And it's nice here, like it's already in the seat. And this one, brownies, one of my favorite dishes. And this one is for me. Collagen. Yeah, we got this for me, and see, it's good for my skin in here. And we also get this mayonnaise. Yeah, mayonnaise. Yeah, we eat a lot of tuna sandwich. This one. We get this night cream for him. It's retinol. Okay. And this is for me, and also we can take this one. And this one is for me. Facial mask. Yeah, I like facial mask. When you know, like just relaxing. And this one, it's for me and Waljid. Guayabano juice. I like guayabano juice. Okay, and what else? This one. So, we saw this another new brand tuna. Because we love to eat tuna sandwich. So, we wanna try this another brand, which is like almost, it's like almost $2 each. It's almost $2. Yeah. So we got this three cans, and this one is 6 pieces. We actually get the 6 pieces. Yes. See, they only have 2 color. It's probably different smell because this one is light pink. They usually do like different smell. And I got this one, plum cake, chocolate cream. I wanna try this one, and another one, cookies. Okay, so the rest, let me show you. I will already take it outside. So this one, we also get this one. It's liquid hand soap. It's 1 gallon and one bucket. 1 tub or 1 bucket, what you call it. So yeah, before we get this one, the other one, now we try the Tide. So yeah, that's what we got from SNR. And we also get this one rice cooker because our rice cooker is kind of old already and it's not really functioning properly, so we get this one. They actually a lot of kind of rice cooker. They also have the other one which is buy one and get one free, but we rather choose this one because look like it's bigger than that and we like the style.
It's
So-
a big, sexy looking style.
Yeah, it has 10 cups on this one. It's bigger than the other one. But this one is not buy one and get one free. The other one only, but we choose this one. It's quite nice. And yeah, we like this style. So the total amount of our grocery shopping, it cost 21,900. Let's see, 22,000 guys. Let's see, 22,000. That's the total of everything, and this is what we buy. This, okay, this is the one we buy for. Look at the prices. So far, this is the this is the expensive one that we bought from SNR. Like, we bought a lot this time, and this is the highest amount. Which is like at 22,000. Most of the time we bought. So yeah, so most of the time if we buy from SNR like 10 or 13,000 and something 15, but this time it like 22,000, which is a lot. But yeah, I mean we need it because we also buy a rice cooker and the big bucket of the what you call it, soup. Yeah, and then we buy also toilet rolls, 2 bags. It's a lot, and yeah, we bought a lot actually. So that's it for today's video, guys. Yeah, after we eat breakfast and yeah, we just shopping, and then yeah, we are here. We are back home. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And as you can see, my voice is getting starting because I just start my job and it's my 3 days yesterday. And I'm happy with my job. But the only thing is my voice, it will be changing because I'm doing live, like selling products online. So that's why your voice, it will change. As you can see, my voice is not normal anymore. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that every time I have a new video, you always notified. Bye guys!
When you look my way, it gave me shiver. It's like I've waited